In this video, I'll guide you through how to access cPanel on Bluehost. Whether you're managing a new website or updating an existing one, knowing how to get into cPanel is essential. cPanel is where you control things like your files, email accounts, databases, and many of the behind-the-scenes settings that keep your site running smoothly. So let's walk through this together, step by step, in a simple and clear way. First, you'll need to log into your Bluehost portal. This is your main account dashboard, and it's different from cPanel itself. Open your web browser and go to the Bluehost website. On the homepage, look for the login option, then enter your account credentials and sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main portal where you can see an overview of your products, websites, and settings. From here, the next thing you want to do is find the hosting section. On the left-hand side of the screen, you should see a sidebar menu. In that menu, click on Hosting. This takes you to the hosting details page, which is specific to the hosting plan and websites you have on your account. On the hosting details page, look for the cPanel button. Depending on your layout and Bluehost's current design, this button may be labeled clearly as cPanel or appear as an option within a section related to advanced settings or website tools. Go ahead and click the cPanel button. When you do, Bluehost will automatically log you into your cPanel interface without requiring another username and password. This is the most straightforward way to access cPanel, and it's the method most users rely on. Now, there's also an alternative way to reach cPanel that can be handy if you prefer going directly there from your browser. Instead of using the Bluehost portal, you can type your domain name followed by /cPanel into the address bar. For example, you would enter your domain name, then cPanel, and press enter. If everything is set up correctly and cPanel direct access is enabled, you'll be taken to the cPanel login screen. With this direct method, you may be asked to enter your cPanel username and password. These are sometimes the same as your hosting credentials, but they can also be different depending on how your account was created. If you're not sure what they are, you can usually find or reset them from within your Bluehost portal under your hosting or cPanel settings. Once you enter the correct login details, you'll be taken straight into the cPanel dashboard. To quickly recap, you have two main options. Log into your Bluehost portal, go to the hosting section in the left sidebar, and click the cPanel button on the hosting details page, or open your browser and go directly to your domain, followed by cPanel to access the cPanel login screen. And that's all you need to know to access cPanel on Bluehost. Once you're in, you can start managing your files, email, databases, and other tools to keep your website running the way you want.